Hello, this is the Tech Girl 007 in here, and today you will learn how to increase your free listing for free. Right, so a new Etsy store owner is given 40 free listings via a referral code. The seller can acquire another 40 free ones by sharing their code, and I will show you how. The great thing is that there are no limits as to how many free listings you can get, even up to 6,000. Oh, and speaking of limits, this Etsy seller acquired 60,000 plus free listings just by sharing her link to anyone who potentially wanted to open a new shop. So the existing shop owner gets 40 free listings each time someone opens a shop using their code, and the new person who just opened the shop will also be able to put up 40 listings for free. And that's what I did when I first opened my shop. I thought it was great to be able to post up listings for free, unlike other platforms that requires you to pay each time you put up a new listing. So let's see how do we do this. Go to the first link on the description box below to get my code if you would like to open a new shop, or click on the second link to get your code for your already open shop, share it with your friends and get more free listings allowance. So here's how it works. So once you open this page and you're signed onto your account, this code is what you need to share with anyone who wants to open a shop, perhaps one of your friends. Bear in mind that each time you refresh this page, the code will change, but that's not an issue as all those codes will be associated with your account. So once you copied the link, you can either write your friends' emails in these boxes provided or send them the code via apps such as WhatsApp. And here's my code if you are thinking of opening a shop, and let's help each other grow our shops by granting each other free listings. Right, so I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, and I shall see you on another video. Take care. Bye.